If your business do not have these qualities, you need to go back to the drawing table because it will be difficult for you to build wealth with such business. You don't just start business because it's your passion. You need to ask yourself these questions. Is the business essential? What problem is it solving? Is it profitable? What is the percentage of market demand? Is it scalable? Can you start small and grow over time? What is the success rate? Is it sustainable even during economic downturns? Once your business have all these qualities, your wealth building journey will be very smooth. In this video, I'll be showing you 5 business ideas that never fail, no matter what the economic situation is. Have you ever wondered why some people never go broke, no matter what the economic situation is? It is not luck. I used to be broke, but once I mastered these business ideas, I've never gone broke. And that is what I'll be showing you today. Gone are the days they advise people to start a business with passion. With the way the economic situation is now, if you wait for passion, hunger will kill you. You know what we call sapa go finish you. Please don't get me wrong. Get what I am saying here. Starting a business with passion is good. But starting with what is available is very, very important. These businesses I'll be showing you today, I selected them based on number 1, the success rate. The success rate is very high. Number 2, low startup capital. It has low startup capital and it has high success rate. Number 3, the market demand is very high. These are businesses that people are looking out for on daily basis, even during the tough economic times. Number 4, they are highly sustainable. What I am telling you are businesses that I am doing. These businesses are within the chains of businesses that I am doing, and I know what I am saying. I am talking to you based on the experiences I've had over the years. I've been on this wealth journey for over 25 years. So whatever I am telling you is based on the experiences I've had over the years. And these are valid experiences and ideas that we are discussing here today. So let's dive in. I really want you to pay attention to the last 2, number 4 and number 5. Pay attention to them. And why I say you should pay attention to them is that this is the businesses that actually gave me a breakthrough. And if you understand these business ideas or business models and apply it in today's economy, you will be very, very successful in your wealth journey. Because these are businesses that never fail, no matter what the economic situation is. So let's go ahead and then discuss them. Number 1 is cleaning business. The first business I started is a cleaning business. And I started that business with 0 capital. I used what I call OPR. Other people's resources. As at that time, I do not have much savings to start a business. But because I understand what OPR is, I was able to use other people's resources and start a cleaning company. And I was able to rake in millions. I'm saying millions, not thousands, millions. As at that time, I was able to rake in millions into my bank account, and it helped me in my wealth journey. To understand how this concept of OPR works very well, watch this my video on how to start up a business with 0 capital and then use other people's resources to scale your business. So the cleaning business, as at today, the demand for cleaning services are on the increase on daily basis. Offices, embassies, plazas, estates are springing up here and there on daily basis. Homes, all these people need cleaning services. And one thing I found out is that people no longer employ people that will stay with them in their houses. They prefer to go to an agency and get somebody who will be coming to their houses maybe once or twice a week and then do the cleanup and then the person goes. So if you start up an agency in this area and then you are a trusted person, remember, one thing that you need in this business is to be a trusted person. Because people really need to trust you and then trust the staffs that you are employing in your agency. And then you will be able to scale this business and then have multiple homes, multiple estates, multiple embassies that you'll be their cleaner. It does not require much to start up. You can start with the little you have And as you go on, you keep scaling it, and then you can now have a cleaning crew that will help you to do this business. And you'll be smiling to the bank as you are doing it. By the time you build trust, you will see that you have plenty customers. You will be the one that will be rejecting customers. If this is the first time you are watching my video, you are welcome. You are on Amy Wealth Money Lane. Please comment first time on the comment section so that I can connect with you and show you so many other businesses that you can start. And if this is not your first time, please comment regular on the comment section. It will help me to also know my audience and then connect with you. Number 2 is rental services. In fact, this business is a business I'm already going into. I've already started, getting my materials ready, and very soon I'll start it up. And why did I say that? It is a business that you spend once and you keep reaping over time. You buy one canopy, you keep renting it out. You buy chairs, you keep renting it out. You buy ladder, you keep renting it out. You only do it once and you keep renting it, and then you keep reaping. That is the business model we are talking about, rental services. Let me tell you why this business caught my eyes. I'm into school business. And on many occasions, we will rent chairs, canopies for events like Cultural Day, events like graduation, events like Career Day, and so many other events, birthdays, and so many other ones. We keep renting chairs and canopies for that. And because of that, I find out that we are spending much on these rental services. And because of that, I did a feasibility study about the business. And I found out that this is a lucrative business that one can start, and it doesn't cost much. By the time you want to do maintenance in your house, do painting, fix AC, and do one or two things, you now find out that people who are renting ladder, who are renting scaffold, that they are actually making money. And these things, sometimes you find it difficult to even see where to rent them. And this is a business you can start with as low as 100,000, and you keep reaping. You keep reaping. As people are using it, you are making money. So this is a lucrative business. Think about it and start up one. Number 3 is digital content services. We are in a digital world, and any person who understands this and toe the line will continue to make money even while the person is asleep. Go into this digital content creation, and then you see that there are so much you can make out of this business. And it's something you do once, you get paid always. And it's not difficult to start. With the advent of AI and so many other digital tools out there, you can be able to build a $1 million business out of this business model. Create ebooks based on your experiences. You can do research. You can do how-tos, and then put them in form of an ebook, and then upload it on platforms that you can use to sell them. You can use platforms like seller.com. That is what most African countries use. You can also use ST, you can use Gumroad, you can use Fiverr. There are so many platforms out there that you can leverage on and then begin to sell your digital content products. Me, I'm already selling on seller.com, and you can as well start one for yourself. This is a business model that you do the work once and you keep getting a lot over time. And it doesn't go out of content. Even if you produce a book today and that book is relevant, even in the next 10, 15 years, you keep reaping from that particular book. That is the business content that we are talking about. That is the business model we are talking about. Digital content creation. That is the business of the day. And if you start one now, in the next 2, 3, 4 years, you may be marveled by the type of money you'll be making out of it. Having said that, one thing you should know is that our economy is not smiling. So everybody need to get up and begin to do something that will help you to navigate through this economy and then be able to build your wealth at the end of the day. So what we are discussing here are things that are very, very important that will help us, that in the future we will look back and begin to thank God for the decisions we made at this particular time. So become a part of the community and let's keep discussing these issues on wealth building. And that brings me to the two businesses I talked about. If you are still watching this video at this time, congratulations, because I am about to expose two businesses that actually helped me to break through. And these are businesses that I love so much. I am so passionate about these two businesses. And that is number 4, graphic design and printing business. This is a business that you can start with as little as whatever you have. To start this business is as easy as ABCD. This is a business I love so much because I like creating ideas, concepts, and bringing them to life through graphic design and printing. I never planned to go into printing business in the first place. But when I understood this business model, I jumped into it, and it has actually helped me to build wealth over years. I started small, but I scaled it to a multi-million business. I mean multi-million naira business. And that is one of the major breakthroughs I had in my wealth journey. I built good customer base with government agencies and private organizations, and I enjoy that relationship up till today. One thing you should understand is this: every business needs printing. They need business card, they need flyer, they need receipts, they need other record books, they need branding, they need banner, they need branded materials like t-shirts, polo cap, and others. These are all within the printing space. And this is a business that you only need your business card and flyer. Once you are able to get a very good business card and flyer and you hit the road and begin to talk to all these small businesses within your area and even government agencies, it just need you to do a very good proposal and be able to, package your proposal very well. There is no way you will not attract printing contracts. And that was what I did that helped me to scale this business, and it became a multi-million naira business for me. You don't need printing machines to start up. Even if you don't have any knowledge of graphic design, you can still do the business. But if you have graphic design, it is an added advantage, because what actually also helped me was because I was a graphic designer. And it's not that I just became a graphic designer. When I went into printing, I have to learn it, because I saw that it was necessary for me to scale my business. So I learned it, and with my laptops, I was able to do marvelously well in this business without having any printing machine. Another important skill you also need to learn in this particular business is how to cost jobs, because you need to know at every stage of the printing, what and what do you need? And then you'll be able to attach cost to each of these stages so that you'll be able to arrive at the end cost at the end of the day. Then you now add your profit margin. This is one thing that you need to learn, how to do costing, because it will help you that when you go out to search for these jobs, when they ask for quotation, you don't need to go back to start asking maybe the person who is helping you to do the job, how much will he use to do this or that. You need to master how much it takes at every stage of the printing, starting from your graphic design, how much you need to do the plate, or either you do CTP, which is computer to plate, or if you are doing direct imaging, you need to know how much it will take you at every stage. And with that, you will be able to give your quotations and then get the job, then go do it. They will even give you advance depending on your negotiation with them. They will give you the money you will use to do the business. You will go there, use the advance they gave you to produce the job, and you come back and collect the rest, which is probably your profit. So you see, you're not investing much, and at the same time, you are making money. So that is the business, and that was what I did, and it helped me to scale. In fact, each time I remember printing business, I'm always happy because it's a business that actually helped me in my journey. And I've equally trained people who are doing very well in the business. And if you want to learn from me, contact me through my WhatsApp or through the email, and I'll put you through on how to start the business. Please, if you are getting value from this video, comment on the comment section, hit the like button, and subscribe. Now, let's go to the last one. This is a business I am very passionate about, and it is something that you can equally start. It's daycare and school business. See, one thing you should know is that education never goes out of style. At any point in time, it is very, very relevant. And it's a business that if you start it, you can never go broke. But I want to make it clear here. It's not just starting a school business. You need to do it very well, because if your product is not good at the end of the day, parents will not bring their children. Parents are ready to spend their last kobo for the growth and education of their children, and they need trusted people who will be able to deliver on this particular business. At the beginning of this video, I talked about starting up with what is available and then pursue your dream or your passion later on. That was what I did. I was always passionate about education. I was always passionate about starting up a school. But I started with what was available. And now I am sitting in the board of a school that is doing very well. So I am now pursuing my passion because I want to retire as a teacher. And it's still the same teaching I am doing now. Is it not teaching? I am teaching, and that is the way I want to retire. It's always good to retire with what you are passionate about, and I am passionate about teaching, and that is how I want to retire. Maybe one of these days in my subsequent video we'll talk about retirement and how to plan your retirement, but this business model, school business, is something you can never go broke if you do it and do it well. Just like I said before, parents are interested in trusted individuals or institutions that will help them to take care of their children while they are at work. And that is where you come in. Starting up this business is not too difficult to start. You can even start in your living room. And as you make money, you can now get a more comfortable apartment. And before you know it, you are building a very big school. And when you begin to count your history, you now begin to look at where you started from. So starting up a business in this direction is a very good one. But please, make sure that you do it well. So that's it. I want you to go to the comment section now and tell me the business that caught your eye in all these businesses we've discussed. Tell me the one that caught your eye, and tell me the one you are already doing or the one you intend to start. Just like me that want to start the rental businesses very soon, I want you to also tell me the one you intend to start, so that we keep discussing on this issue of wealth building. Remember, it is Amy Wealth Money Lane, where we talk about everything that has to do with money and how to build wealth. Hit the like button and start now, because there is no time.